Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. My name is Miriam. In today's video, I will run you guys through on how to make this well-coated peanuts. If this is a video you're interested in, keep on watching. Make sure you watch to the end. Okay, thank you.
As you fade away, as you fade away, I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
So for this recipe, I'm using raw peanuts or groundnuts, anyone you call it. And the first thing to do is to blanch the peanuts or groundnuts. To blanch it, I'm adding salt to the peanuts. Then I'll add warm water. Soak it for 5 minutes and sieve the water out.
See the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna.
After 5 minutes, I'll sieve the granules, then spread it on a tray and sun dry it. Then we'll move to our next ingredient.
This way, I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not
For the rest of the
okay.
ingredients, we have all-purpose flour, eggs, sugar, powdered milk, and salt. And also almond essence, I forgot to add. In a dry bowl, I'm adding all the dry ingredients. I'm adding the flour, I'm adding the powdered milk and salt. As for the sugar, I'll mix it with the egg. I consider that as a wet ingredient. For the wet ingredients, I'm adding the eggs, sugar, and the almond essence. Then I'll mix everything together. Please, you can add any essence you want. You can add vanilla, you can add anyone. I just choose the almond because I like the scent. Or will I say I like the taste? So you can choose anyone you like.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you to. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Here is our
Guess you're trying to
peanut.
stay
It's
strong
dried
and fake
ready
a
to
smile
be used.
until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I'll start by adding the wet ingredients. Then I'll shake the peanuts till it is well coated before adding the dry one. That is how I'll continue to coat it till all the peanut is well coated. I'll add the wet ingredients, coat it, add the dry one, coat it again. Remember, you shake it, don't turn it with your hand. You shake it, as you're shaking it, it will be coating. They'll be coating together.
I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Guys, at this point the pressure was getting worse. You keep separating the peanuts, you keep separating it, you keep separating so that they don't stick together.
It's you.
I'm finally done. It's time to remove the excess flour in the peanuts, and my sieve is frustrating me, guys. So you take out the excess flour, then it's ready to fry. Meanwhile, at this point my oil is already heating up.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So guys, this is the finished look. Guys, there's a lot you can do with peanuts. You can use it as a snack, you can give it to your kids to go to school with, you can use it to entertain your guests when you have visitors coming over, you can make a business out of it. Yes, you can do these peanuts, package it and sell. There's so much you can do with peanuts. I hope I just gave you guys an interesting ideas. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Share my videos, call your family and friends, tell them come and see this YouTube channel, come and see where it's happening. Thank you guys for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you